Casualty's fallen off the platform on a self-retracting line. So, got your kit with a 3-to-1 rope, use the pole, hooking on. I've now got the casualty. So, I need to haul the casualty up on the 3-to-1 system. This allows me to take their weight, and when I'm able to reach, I can remove the casualty from the system that they've fallen on. And now, using the descending device, I'm lowering the casualty and my rescuer's on the ground, retrieving my casualty. Pull through. There you go. As they pull the casualty down, to the ground.